stunningly beautiful.
Let's go swimming. Wow, the pool water is so refreshing.
This water slide is absolutely amazing.
Let's build a swimming pool together.
Okay, let's start.
How to build the water pump. Add the gear. Add the engine. Testing. Install the pump. Add the pump cover. Pump water into the pool.
I love how pristine and inviting this pool looks.
Great! I have finished building the swimming pool.
Swimming time. The pool water looks great. The design of this pool is incredibly impressive. Mr. Han, I want to have a slide into the pool.
So easy. Please wait a moment. I'll finish up right away.
Let's test it.
That's not all. I have an even bigger surprise for you. These are Orbeez, and they expand into larger shapes when soaked in water.
A few moments later.
Oh, they've expanded much larger. I don't need so many Orbeez. I can't move in the pool.
It's interesting, isn't it? Welcome to Lego Farm.
It's very hot.
The crops need to be watered.
How could I finish watering?
1. Buy a new horse. 2. Build a new water pump.
I will build a new water pump.
How to build a turntable water pump. Build the automatic turntable. Build the base. Add the battery. Build the rings. Testing. The rings can rotate 360 degrees perfectly.
Wow!
Put the turntable into the garden. Add the water pump. The water pump is ready. Water flows from the tank to the pipe through small holes and then onto the garden.
Wow!
The turntable starts to spin. Now it can rotate and water at the same time.
Yeah, this pump is so amazing. It's so fast. All my crops have been watered. I can harvest the crops now.
All the crops are ripe. Would you like to harvest them? 1. Harvest all crops. 2. Wait a few days.
I would choose to harvest all of them.
Carrots, tomatoes, corn.
That's a lot of money.
Your crops are of great quality. I want to buy all your pumpkins tomorrow.
I need to find a way to make more pumpkins.
Would you like to add more fertilizer? Yes. No.
I will choose yes. It's too expensive.
Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium.
Wow!
All crops need fertilizer.
Look, pumpkins are growing quickly. Oh no, it's spinning too fast. It's broken.
What will you choose next? 1. Fix the pump. Cost $3,452. 2. Buy a new pump. Cost $3,452.
What? Oh, is there a car wash station nearby? So clean. My car is so dirty. I need to wash my car. Here is your money.
Welcome to our car wash.
Please clean my dirty car.
Okay. I'll begin the wash now.
Car wash soaps. How to build the soap cannon machine. Step 1. Build the engine. Add the gears. Step 2. Build the soap dispenser. Add the chain. Testing.
ready to get your car clean.
Water.
Wow, your car is shiny.
Thanks for the clean.
How to build the pressure cleaner pump. Add pump nozzle, add the engine and the battery.
Please help me clean my garbage truck.
I'm always willing.
Thank you for the great service.
Criminals headquarters.
Have you found out who stole all of my money yet?
Not yet, sir. It's him.
Beyond the sea.
Catch me if you can, boss. Bastard, destroy his boat and bring all the money back now.
Yes, sir.
How to build the wave machine. Step 1. Build the body. Pillars of machine. Step 2. Build the pedals. Check how it works. Attach the gears to the machine. Connect them to the wave generator. Check it. Add the pedals made by wheels. Step 3. Connect to the engine. Install the connection area. Testing with a water tank. Let's start now. Add colorful capsule balls. Succeed. The wave machine.
Oh my god, it's so big.
3, 2, 1, go!
The wave is huge. I'm feeling dizzy. Please stop the damn machine. Stop, help me.
I'm so seasick.
My money is sinking.
Damn it.
Although the money is gone, you can't sink my boat.
You bastards, kill him right now.
Yes, sir.
The aquarium is really beautiful. It's definitely going to get a lot of like. Beautiful aquarium. What the hell is going on?
The fish tank looks awful.
Delete the photo.
It looks terrible.
Damn it.
Aquarium fish shop.
Welcome, sir. Let me introduce you to some products. This is the most modern type, compact design, and can be controlled on, off with a remote.
I need one that hold water inside.
How about this, sir?
It's too small to raise fish in.
Wait a moment, I'll do it for you.
How to build the aquarium bedside lamp. Step 1. Build the water pump. Build the propellers. Add the water pipe. Add the engine and more. Add the case. Testing. Step 2. Build the lamp. Step 3. Complete assembly. Add fishes and more. Great, I'm done.
Wow!
Hey Alex, I just made it for you. Let's fill the water into it.
Wow! Wow!
Well, this is exactly what I wanted.
I'm glad that you liked it. The lamp cost $1,000.
I already have beautiful photos to post. I don't want to buy it. Bye.
Damn it, I've been tricked.
Aquarium bedside lamp.
The lamp is really beautiful.
How much do I must to pay to own it?
Fool.
There's treasure waiting for us.
Let's see what treasures this map leads us to.
Oh no, fog in a cave. Dad, what's wrong?
This fog is poisonous.
We use gear to clear fog with airflow?
How to build the 6 blades fan. Step 1. Build automatic fan blades. Add the engines. Add the frame. Step 2. Complete assembly. Testing.
That's how we get rid of the smoke. Now we've seen everything.
Hey son, look!
I'm not afraid of spiders. Go straight.
How to build the 10 blades fan. Step 1. Build automatic fan blades. Add fan blades. Step 2. Connect. Step 3. Complete assembly. Add the engines. Testing.
The wind is so strong.
Let's go, my son!
Huh? What a surprise.
A line of candles blocking our path in the cave.
How to build the 14 blades fan. Step 1. Build automatic fan blades. Step 2. Upgrade the fan blades.
I think we can do it.
The fire is completely out. Perfect solution. Now we can move past it.
Come back home, son.
Oh no, falling bricks ahead.
Our vehicle is stuck.